Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the skull skull face in Dress to Impress. So first, you'll need this this one here, the eye mask, and color it black. Position the Y to 0.53, Z 0.43, and scale it to 0.29. Grab this frilly headband, I don't know what it's called, and color it this color in silk. We are going to color everything that color in silk, by the way, so I'm not going to go in depth, except if you're like going to color black, then I will like tell you, I guess. So position the Y to 0.61, Z 0.29, rotate the X to 0.44, Z 0.25, and scale it to 0.38. It's for this one, by the way. Grab this crown, color it the same color. In the second toggle, position the Y to 0.81, Z 0.37, rotate the X to 0.49, Z 0.75, and scale it to 0.21. For the teeth, we are going to use this hat over here. For this one, we're going to color it this color, like this one here. And then the same one, except for the last toggle, you're going to color it white. In the first toggle, position the X to 0.49, Y 0.52, Z 0.42, rotate the X to 0.53, Y to 0.26, Z 0.25, and scale it all the way to 0. And grab this face mask and color it the same in silk. Position the Y to 0.35, Z 0.4, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it to 0.11. Then you're going to want to grab the thick headband in the same color in silk as well. Position the Y to 0.67, Z 0.56, rotate the X to 0.41, and scale it to 0.24. Then you're going to grab this headband, the bare headband, in the same color and material. Position the Y to 0.55, Z 0.51, rotate the X to 0.41, Y 0.75, Z 0.25, and scale it to 0.14. Grab the style sheet and crown in the same color. Position the Y to 0.34. Z 0.51, rotate the X to 0.40, and scale it to 0.06. Lastly, you're going to grab the unicorn horn from VIP for the nose, and 0. Position the Y to 0.29, Z 0.26, rotate the X to 0.56, and scale it to 0.08. And that is how you can create the skull face in Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.